You've probably seen these types of videos on social media. They rack up millions of views and can skyrocket your subscriber count. The problem? You don't know how to make them. Don't worry, creating these videos is super easy because they're all made with AI. You're just 4 steps away from making a viral video. 1. Write a prompt using ChatGPT. 2. Generate an image with Leonardo AI. 3. Turn the image into a video using Hailuo AI and Kling AI. 4. Remove the watermark with CapCut. And that's it. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button to keep learning new skills. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to smash the like button. Step 1. Generating an image prompt with ChatGPT. First, head over to the ChatGPT website and copy the prompt I shared on my Telegram channel and description below. Then, paste it into the chat section and let ChatGPT do the rest. Step 1. Get image ideas with ChatGPT. First, use ChatGPT to make fun ideas, prompts for pictures. Once you have some good ones, it's time to turn them into real images. Step 2. Create images with Leonardo AI. Open your web browser and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the website and press Get Started. If you don't have an account, sign up using Google, Apple, Microsoft, or your email. After logging in, click on Image Creation. Pick these settings. Preset, choose FluxDev. Style, pick 3D render. Size, click More, then pick the best size for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Copy one of the ideas prompts from ChatGPT. Paste it into the prompt box in Leonardo AI. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. When your image is ready, click Download to save it. Want more? Try another prompt to make more images. Step 3. Turn your image into a video. Now we'll use Hailuo AI to bring your image to life as a video. Search for Hailuo AI in your browser. Click on the website and sign up or log in with your Google account. Click Create, then select Image to Video. Click Upload and choose the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI. Go to ChatGPT and type, "I want you to create an image to video prompt." ChatGPT will generate a prompt. Copy it. Go back to Hailuo AI, paste the prompt, and start the video generation. Wait for the video to be created. You can convert 3 images into videos for free per day. Click Download to save the video. Method 2. Using Kling AI. Search for Kling AI in your browser. Click on the website and sign up or log in using Google, Apple, or email. Log into your account and click on AI Videos. Then go to the Frames tab and click Upload. Choose the image you made with Leonardo AI and upload it. In the prompt section, paste the prompt you created in ChatGPT. Scroll down to the duration section and pick 5 or 10 seconds for your video. Click Generate to start making the video. Wait for it to finish, then click Download to save it. Now we have 2 videos made with different tools. Which one do you like better? Share your thoughts in the comments. Final step, removing watermarks with CapCut. Now it's time to edit and remove watermarks. Open CapCut and add your video to the timeline. Click Ratio and pick 16:9 to fit YouTube and TikTok. Click Crop and adjust the frame to remove the watermark, then click Confirm. Zoom in a little to make the video full screen. Finally, export the video in the best quality and post it on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. That's it for this tutorial. If it helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.